Lecture 2. Classification on the basis of purpose.
Engineering survey.
Control survey uses geodetic methods to establish widely spaced vertical and horizontal control points. Geological survey is used to determine the structure and arrangement of rock strata.
Generally, it enables us to know the composition of the Earth.
Military or defense survey is carried out to map places of military and strategic importance.
Archaeological survey is carried out to discover and map ancient relics of antiquity. Classification based on instrument used. Chain tape survey. This is the simple method of taking the linear measurement using a chain or tape with no angular measurements made. Compass survey. Here horizontal angular measurements are made using magnetic compass with the linear measurements made using the chain or tape. Plane table survey. This is a quick survey carried out in the field with the measurements and drawings made at the same time using a plane table. Leveling. This is the measurement and mapping of the relative heights of points on the Earth's surface, showing them in maps, plane and charts as vertical sections or with conventional symbols. Theodolite survey. Theodolite survey takes vertical and horizontal angles in order to establish controls. Classification based on the method used. 1. Triangulation survey. In order to make the survey manageable, the area to be surveyed is first covered with a series of triangles. Lines are first run around the perimeter of the plot, then the details under revision are fixed in relation to the established lines. This process is called triangulation. The triangle is preferred as it is the only shape that can completely cover an irregularly shaped area with minimum space left. 2. Traverse survey. If the bearing and distance of a known point are known, it is possible to establish the position of that point on the ground. From this point, the bearing and distances of other surrounding points may be established. In the process, positions of points linked with lines linking them emerge. The traversing is the process of establishing these lines called traversing, while the connecting lines join 2 points on the ground. Joining 2 while bearing and distance is known as traverse. A traverse station is each of the points of the traverse, while the traverse leg is the straight line between consecutive stations. Traverses may either be open or closed. Closed traverse. When a series of connected lines forms a closed circuit, in other words, when the finishing point coincides with the starting point of a survey, it is called a closed traverse. Here, ABCDA represents a closed traverse. Closed traverse is suitable for the survey of boundaries of ponds, forests, and similar areas. Open traverse. When a sequence of connected lines extends along a general direction and does not return to the starting point, it is known as an open traverse, or unclosed traverse. Here, ABCDE represents an open traverse.